18 feet deep.
Is it?
They have to make it that deep for the boats.
Is it a lot of fish out here? My
Yeah.
dad and them got a camper out here. It's over there. They got about the nicest one out here. My opinion. Beautiful. Right on the water. And this is my dad's wife. Say hi. And that's my sister. Breezy.
We're gonna go for a little ride.
I love y'all. Damn, it's a lot of boats out here.
A lot of people ain't got theirs in the water yet.
So y'all can put y'all boat in the water. Oh, that's a nice one too.
Cost you $400 to.
It costs $400 to use to get in the water.
Just to rent the dock.
Hmm.
They gotta make their money. Morning.
What is that? Like something they built on there? Like like the little tent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They build the docks. I mean the decks and stuff.
Pretty.
See if you go straight down that way. It goes right out to the lake.
Nice.